Walking through the corridor, shadows fight the light. Every step is an echo, every glitch a bite. A flicker in the corner, a whisper in the air. Love's a game of daring, if you even dare. A hill too steep, a dream too wide. Would you hide? Running up that hill, running up that hill. Love is sharing, even still. Running up that hill, running up that hill. Give and take, the thrill, the spill. Neon veins on the walls, pulsing like a heart. Fingers trace the patterns, where does it even start? The ceiling breathes and trembles, the floor it shifts below. Every step together, we'll find out where it goes. Running up that would you share your endless fight? Would you split your soul in two if I gave my heart?